and yours. Hey, Bassmaster Holiday ways to you and yours. Wish you well. Take care. Suppose only when I can. Bassmaster, South Florida, 151. The drive in the Backwoods. Here you go.
You gonna make a whole lot of people mad. I ain't gonna tell what you said. You gonna put it on your rental car. Click. Uh-oh, sorry. Hey, they ain't nothing but the truth, cause you listen at it. They ain't nothing but the truth, cause you listen at one right now. Low side of this skinny boy, 300 bird watts.
That's all you need to know. That's all you guys need to know on the Superbowl, man. I'm on a worldwide radio galaxy. Everything's ready.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It don't take much. It don't take much. As long as you got the antenna stuff. That's all count.
305. Mr. Tomato 305 worldwide.
I tried to tell them that 20 years ago. I tried to tell them that 21 years ago that they didn't want to believe me. Well, that's all right. They learn it now. There you go. That ain't the damn box. It's what's on top. The house. On the outside of the house on top. Quickly. Don't worry about them. Don't worry about them. Let them stay on the sideline and cry like a damn baby. Don't put a ball in their mouth while they're crying, cause you try to tell them. Right back, Switchblade. I ain't all set down on this end there. Stormborn and try to ease up in there while when you got off the mall there. But now this, I'm just sitting here chilling on this in my man cave, and I'm getting on down. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. I ain't asked that man what, no, I ain't gonna stoop that low. I ain't going there. Hey, 161. No. I'm gonna let you ask him. I'm not gonna go in.
Man, a Galaxy 2547.
Switchblade 0595.
Back at me, man. I appreciate that, man. You know, I put a lot of work and effort on this thing, man, trying to get out with the big boys. You know, I'm trying to be with the big boys like you guys, man, on Channel 6, Mr. Tomato.
Hello, 25, Louisiana, DX90, get up.
Network.
Right there, right back, 25, Louisiana, up and coming independent way to you on that end. And welcome to the weekend. 25 Indiana, DX90, east side of Florida. Say click, click.
Hey, Snoop Dogg, man, I appreciate that wisdom and courage.